In this video, I'm going to carry on with the series of videos that I've been doing, adding to the playlist. Now, we're going to cover augmented chords. Now, it's a fairly straightforward, simple one, is this. If we take the chord of A, and we apply the A there, and we add 4, as if we're going for a major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we would normally add 3 to make a major chord there. But this time, we're adding 4 instead. 4 semitones. Okay, so it's 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's A augmented. Augmented just means made bigger. So let's do a B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B augmented. Let's do C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C augmented. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D augmented. E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the gist. And let's do F down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F augmented. And the last one, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, augmented chord. What that's actually doing, and it's major, it's always a major chord. So you call it major augmented. Just making it a little bit bigger. Tends to be used with passing chords within a chord progression within songs. Just gives variations. So anyway, remember the chord. The chord for augmented chords is 4/4. And in the next video, I'm going to cover diminished. Again, very straightforward. I'll go through them fairly quickly. If you like the video, give it a like. If you hate it, thumbs down. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Look out for my next video. Put reference down for the playlist of this series of videos. Cheers. See ya.